Tropical rainforests. Tropical rainforests are hot and well all year round, and the climate is the same all year. They do not have definitive seasons. It is consistently hot all year. The temperature only varies by a few degrees, and this is because the sun's energy is more intense near the equator, as it is overhead all year round. The rainfall is very high. Tropical rainforests get about 2,000 millimeters each year, and it rains every day. Most trees here are evergreen to help them take advantage of the continual growing season, and many trees are very tall, and the vegetation cover is thick. This results in very little light reaching the forest floor. There are a lot of epiphytes. These are plants that grow on other living plants and take nutrients and moisture from the air, like orchids. The soil is not very fertile. This is because the rain washes away the nutrients. There are surface nutrients due to decayed leaf fall, but this is a very thin layer as decay happens much faster in a warm environment. The rainforest ecosystems are believed to contain more animal species than any other ecosystem. Gorillas, jaguars, anacondas, tree frogs, sloths, and howler monkeys are all found here, and there are also so many species of insects and birds. Many indigenous people have been able to adapt to life in the rainforests. They make a living by hunting and fishing. They gather nuts and berries, and also grow vegetables in small garden plots. Rainforests have a very high biodiversity. Biodiversity is the variety of organisms living in a particular area. This includes both plants and animals. Rainforests contain around 50% of the world's plant, animals, and insect species, and may even contain half of all life on Earth. Rainforests are a stable and productive environment. This is because their climate is constant. Plants and animals don't have to cope with changing conditions, and there is always plenty of food readily available for them. Many organisms here have evolved to depend on just a few other species for survival. They are specific to a particular habitat and food source, and many of these species are only found in a small area. Deforestation and uncontrolled development of the rainforest are likely to lead to the extinction of many species and the loss of biodiversity. The number of threatened species in Brazil increased from 628 in 2018 to 182 in 2014. All parts of the rainforest are dependent on one another, and if any of them changes, everything else is affected. Changes to one part of the rainforest ecosystem can have knock-on effects on the whole ecosystem. For example, cutting down trees can contribute to climate change. Trees intercept and take up a lot of water and release it back into the atmosphere, providing moisture for further rainfall. By reducing the number of tree cover may increase the risk of drought, affecting the plants and animals that live in the rainforest ecosystem. Trees also stabilize the soil with their roots and provide some nutrients when they drop their leaves and fruit in some instances. With fewer trees, the soil would have less protection from heavy rainfall, and the few nutrients that are present would wash away more easily, and plants would struggle to grow.